Jesus freak here. Now I'm not going to show everything that's in here. It's honestly not all of it's anyone's business. But, there's some personal stuff in here too. Here we go. Now this ain't going to be useful right away. I can tell that this says it's new product because that's exactly what it means in Japanese. I can't read Chinese, but some of the words are the same as in Japanese. Alright. Should have brought my knife. Got other stuff still en route, but it's all personal. Mounting screws. Probably won't matter. Manual. It's in Japanese. I can mostly read it. Mostly. Doesn't sound like native Japanese though. It sounds like it's translated either from... Actually, it might even be translated from English, which would be really weird. This is a floppy disk emulator. It's a way to bootstrap certain systems from a USB drive when you don't have USB support native in the system. I can't use this right away, but I will be using it to bootstrap my Nabu. Anyway, Jesus freak out, I gotta set this stuff aside.